We're going to be completely transforming my 2024 Mustang's interior because if you guys know on the S650s, they have this fake carbon fiber from the factory, which doesn't just look really that good. So Extreme Online Store is able to help us out, and they're helping us get rid of all that and replacing it with some authentic carbon fiber. So it's going to look really, really good. I'm super excited to see the outcome. This is that fake carbon fiber I was talking about. As you can see, it's just plastic. It's not real, just kind of a look-alike, just has that carbon fiber weave design. Like I said, big shout out to Extreme Online Store. We got a few carbon fiber pieces for the interior, 100% authentic as always. I mean, look at that weave. And they are also nice enough to provide tape for the back so it sticks on perfectly and they fit like a glove. All the carbon fiber is from Extreme Online Store, even this radiator cover, which looks phenomenal, especially with this Whipple. So enough yapping, let's throw this stuff on and see how it looks on the interior. So this piece right here, this big long piece, it's kind of hard to get a video of, so I'm going to kind of show you through the windshield, and it's really dirty, so I'm sorry about that. You see this big long piece right here? This is where that goes. In the Extreme Online Store, they did perforate all the holes for the venting for your big screens. Other brands, they just have a big cutout there, but they were nice enough to have holes, and that looks way better. So make sure you clean off the area, get any dust and residue off, and then you peel off the tape and you stick it on. So let's do that. Kind of hard to see, but there we go. We got this long, big piece on behind the screen and it looks phenomenal. We're gonna take our next piece. This is the driver's side air vent. This is gonna finish up and connect these pieces together that we just put on, because that is one big long piece of fake carbon fiber, but this will make it look super, super good because this is obviously real carbon fiber. I mean, look at that weave. It's so clear. It's like clearer than my eyes. So just peel the tape off, clean the area so it will stick well. And if you need to apply a little bit of heat with like a blow dryer or a heat gun, do so and it will stick way better. There we go. We got that piece on. That looks really good. Way better than that factory fake carbon. So that looks phenomenal. Next, let's throw on this steering wheel overlay because I think this is going to look really good. I'm super excited for this piece. So this is the before of the steering wheel. Like I said, make sure you clean it off. And here's the after. That looks phenomenal. It goes like into the airbag. It doesn't interfere with the airbag whatsoever. Looks perfect, fits perfect, looks factory, how it should. So it fits like a glove. I love this piece. So instead of staring at that fake carbon weave, we're staring at some luxurious carbon fiber. And the lights just went out. Next, let's add this carbon fiber piece right here so the passengers aren't looking at that fake carbon. This is the last piece of the carbon fiber interior we have right now. So let's throw this on and make sure the passengers love seeing real carbon. And there we go. That looks phenomenal. Like, I can't actually get enough looking at that. Like, look at that weave. It's like 8K. It's like not even 4K resolution. It's 8K resolution. That's insane. Looks way better. So here's all the pieces that we added. Looks phenomenal. This actually all goes together. You can see, and then you got that vent over here as well, and then the carbon fiber for the steering wheel. Extreme Online Store does also make this piece for the base model S650s, not for the premiums just yet, but the base models, they do have this as well. And they have tons of carbon fiber. They have these as well. So check out their website, extremeonlinestore.com. They have tons and tons of carbon fiber for every piece of the interior, even over here too. Looks phenomenal. I cannot stress it enough. So make sure you check them out. Link will be in the description below.